Yes, hello and welcome everybody. It's back to the TTC truck. I got some goodies in. We're gonna unpack them and check it out what it is. I think I know what it is, but you never know. I ordered a lot of stuff lately, so let's check it out. Let's start with the unpacking. It's always fun to unpack stuff. Let's do it like that. Better. Yeah, check it out. Yeah, I want to see what's inside. You need to know what's inside. What are those? Ooh, those look nice. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, armor. It's 2.2, so I can enter in 2.2 competitions with this rig. Yeah, check it out. So we got two nice wheels. Yeah, look at that. That's a pretty nice rim, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, it's gonna fit nicely. I know it. Let's check for fitment. Now comes the exciting part. We need to check if they fit. If they don't fit, I have a problem. Then I need to make them fit because it's the only wheel I can get my hands on. There is no other wheels for this ride. Except for buggy wheels, but I don't think they look nice. So yeah, I can always go to 3.8s, but so I mean 3.8 in the wheel size, but I don't know. I would really like the 2.2 for the scale look as well. Let's take the wheel nut up. Oh, yeah. It's grinding on here. But so far that's bad. It's coming against my arm over here, so we need to fix that. What I can do with the arm, it's probably pretty simple. Unscrew this screw over here. It's like, take it out. I got another setting over here, so it's now further outside. So I get more clearance on my arm. Normally, I'm gonna check it out. What I can do is get it back in with the thread over here, so I can just look if I got my clearance now. Let's put the wheel nut on. Oh, it's a damn sexy wheel. Oh, it looks so nice on this rig. I'm not gonna show you guys yet. I'm gonna show you with the tires and everything on, if there are tires. I hope so. I hope so. The tires are in as well. Yeah, as you can see, it's really tight. It's really tight, but I will sacrifice it if I need to. But it's really tight, but it really looks nice. So we're gonna put it on like that. So I need to put turn the how do you call it, the threads on this arm to adjust the length. I'm gonna put it on its shortest, and I will see what the camber is on the wheel. As you can see for now, I will put something next to the wheel so it's obvious. This is too much camber. You don't want this much camber, especially not in this way. You want it more like this, if there is camber. For me, they are going to be most of the time just straight. I'm going to keep them as straight as possible. to get us the most amount of grip out of the thread on the wheel. If you're just riding on this piece of thread, if you know what I mean, you only have surface contact on a small part. If you have the whole surface, you got more contact, more grip. So they should fit. I've got another set to the other side. So this is really, really, really good. I've been looking a long time for these wheels. It's yeah, I finally found them through a German website. So now check the bag. Oh, it's a bigger bag. Should be the tires. I hope so. I feel so. So yeah, it's tires, you know, for sure. Yeah. Look at that, man. Oh yeah. These are so nice. Yeah. Just a little interruption. I'm gonna unpack them. We get some stickers. I want some stickers. I don't give a shit about stickers. I just want these tires. They feel so nice. What do you think? What do you guys think? Does it look nice? Super swampers. Yeah. Bad boy. Let's put it on rim. Check. Will they fit? Will they actually fit? That's the big question. They will fit. No problem, no doubt. Feels so sticky, yeah. We're gonna need to glue them. Yeah. But I'm just gonna do a little test fit. Just for the looks of it. I want to see it on there. See how it looks, of course. So yeah, look at that wheel, man. Look at that. That just fits the truck perfectly. I'm loving it already. Oh yeah. Just put one on there, just for the look of it. Look at that. It completely changes the truck. Completely. Oh my god. It looks so much different now. The one wheel only already, it's like this. Yeah, it's, oh my god, it's like super awesome. Oh my god. Oh man, I need to put the other one on there. I can't wait, you guys. You need to see this, guys. It looks insane. Yeah, it was all worth it. It took a long while to find the rims because there's not many companies that make them. I could only find like a couple of them, like 3 or 4 sets. A different kind of sets, I mean, different brands. So yeah, it's a 2.2/3.0 tire rim combination. So it's a wheel combination for the short course trucks. They use them a lot. And the most of them have a 12mm or 14mm hex. My problem is I have a 17mm hex, and yeah, only 1.8 cars most of the times have 17mm hex wheel adapters. So it doesn't fit the front. I didn't even check if it fits the front, but yeah, of course it fits the front because it's more narrower. It fits really nice as well. Oh my god. Damn, I did a real nice job already, if I might say so. Okay, you guys, I need to show you. Look at that. What do you say of that? Isn't that fucking sweet? It's so nice. I really love it. I really love it. Compared to this versus this. Yeah, I really love it.